It has two things that I love. The first one is called Formalizer. So very much what I said with ChatGPT, but I actually like this better. Formalizer, it gives you a box. You can literally type in there, yo, professor, I screwed up. Throw me a bone. I missed the assignment. I know it's 2 days late. I should probably get an F, but be a good guy and help out a buddy. You could type that in there and then say make it more professional. And it's going to say, dear professor, I apologize. I know the assignment was due so and so. I know it's 2 days late. I want to get it done. I would like to hand it in a few days late. I'm hoping it'll be okay with your permission for me to do that. It will literally take whatever your student vomits out onto that top box and convert it into a professional email. Again, they should tweak it, make it their own voice. But oftentimes, and again, I deal with this with students all the time. Oftentimes they're talking about, I have to write a letter to my professor. I did miss something, or I think I need an extension. I'm feeling a little stressed out. I don't know what to write. It's a great tool to help them write to the professor. Same thing for, if they're going on an interview, right? Like they want to write an email to the interviewer. It's great if you want to write a letter to if you're a club president, you're on a club, you're running a club, and you want to write an email to somebody or to the rest of the people in your club. It's a great tool. So it has everything. I mean, I always use the one that's a professional. If you want to have fun with it, you could do snarky, you could do less professional. It's got all kinds of options, but really it's amazing how students will utilize this to get something they need or to share it, like something that there's, even if they're struggling with something, like I really had a hard time with this, and that's why it's late. It will make it sound like a beautifully crafted email that any professor reading it is going to see, that it's well intentioned and will probably get them the result they want.